Alright, this is a 2002 Ford Escape XLT with the 3-liter V6 motor in it. And there's an issue with the exhaust manifold or something associated with the exhaust system. So let's fire it up here. That noise really seems to be coming from right under here. Not sure if it's a exhaust leak at the donut where the piece, the front header comes down, or if it's a leak in the exhaust manifold behind that sheet metal heat shroud. What it is. If you guys have experienced this before or have any advice, I'd appreciate it. Thanks.